The idea of putting full ice wheels onto a car and driving it along, it's a bit crazy, really, and exciting.
Taking the idea of driving on ice to a whole new level, Lexus set out to create the world's first set of working wheels and tyres made out of frozen water, showcasing their belief in the combination of engineering and handcrafted artistry.
Things that are made by hand are special because you have the combination of the tools and the workman. We have to choose our tools very carefully, and when we use those tools, we're engaging with the material in a completely different way to when you just kind of press a button and the machine makes it.
Being a sculptor, it's about having a good silhouette, bold detail, which is why these wheels are brilliant, because the shape of the rib on the car is a very strong, bold, kind of geometric shape, so it really comes out in ice.
Most of what we make is one-off, and it's a thrill too. So for me, it's like a little journey of exploration.
Ice intrinsically doesn't have the sort of properties that you need to be able to support a nearly 2-ton car. So we're looking at different materials and finding which one will be appropriate to hide and sandwich in between 2 layers of ice and take the actual structural load, while from a visual sense the ice will still be on show.
The process of research, design and testing took the team of engineers and ice sculptors 3 months.
The planning stage is very crucial. I feel I need to know really what I'm doing so that when I'm making it, I feel really confident that everything's going to slot together and fit. And at the same time that you're trying to get those sort of technical details right, you're also trying to make something beautiful.
To start with, we get a digital design of the wheel itself. After that, we then need to dissect this model and figure out where the certain components that we're actually manufacturing are going to be. Because of the nature of the real wheel and how it attaches to the wheel assembly, we're having to create a packer. So then that attaches to the wheel assembly, the acrylic then sandwiches onto the mild steel assembly, and the ice then attaches onto that.
We've never done anything like this before, and we're not entirely sure whether it's going to work or not.
The prospect of actually breaking any of the stuff we've been using, the car, the perspex, the ice wheels themselves, has been high. And we've had a few little problems. We've had some cracks and fractures. It's a different type of challenging because you get some things that are more sculptural, but actually logistically and kind of technically, I mean, it really is up there with one of the hardest things I've had to do.
To combat the effects of one of the warmest winters on record, the Lexus NX car was deep frozen and stored for 5 days at -30 degrees before it was driven down a London road. LEDs fitted inside the ice wheels added an extra dimension to the finished look. Impressive as it is, Lexus didn't reveal how long the ice tyres managed to last.